Hey YouTube, welcome to Life of Liddy again, and today we have a lock that I've just got and I really like. It is the Romak Alarm lock, 70mm padlock. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Looks to be a pretty standard lock. Does have the smiley keyway, which can create some issues for some pickers if you haven't encountered them before. It's got the keys here. Works pretty simple. Doesn't seem anything too excessive about that. Now it is pickable, and I'll just show you. This did take me a little bit to work out how to do it. So I'll get rid of that. Bring this in. Okay, so this does take me 2 different picks to do. So I will start off with your basic snake rake. Get somewhat of a false set going, and then I will come in with a bit of a Sparrow's half diamond. Hopefully that focused. This is somewhat challenging. It's more challenging than a conventional lock of this price. That's one thing I would like to mention. This was only $22 Australian, and it does, for the money, it does put up a bit of a fight, which I quite like, obviously. Okay. Okay, I think we'll reset on that one and we'll give it another go. Once again, first things first with the snake rake. Okay. So now this is a 5-pinner. We'll reset again. Oh, we do have quite a deep false set. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. We'll just find our binding pin. Well, I did hear one drop, but we still have our false set going. This is somewhat tricky to hold in your hand. It's a bit of a scrubbing method here, just putting up quite a bit of a fight, but I mean, it's a good thing. Remember, this only cost $22. And there we go, we have it. Okay. So, there we go. That is not the reason I like this lock so much. The reason I like this lock, as the package originally said, it is the alarm lock. So, if we have a look on this side, there is a groove in here. And if we have a look, I don't think the camera's going to pick that up. There is a button that acts as electrical contact. So, in this state, it's a normal lock. If we turn this around and push it with the key in, we've activated the alarm. Now, as instructions say, if this is rattled twice within 5 seconds and then is not unlocked within another 5 seconds, the alarm will go off. So, again, remember, this is not an expensive lock, so let's try and pick it. Didn't even get the tension wrench in. That is going to scare off any unwanted person. That is just a fantastic lock. I just got the tension wrench in. It gave me a warning. Got the tension wrench in again. It didn't give me a warning that time. It just went straight off. What a fantastic little lock. So, Romak, the alarm lock, 70mm padlock, well done. Alright, that's another video from Life of Liddy, and see you next time.